Why clean your bike? A clean bike doesn't just look better, it rides better too. When your bike is clean of dirt and other debris, it shifts more smoothly and brakes more efficiently. In just a few simple steps, you'll learn how to properly clean your bike. Here's what you'll need: a hose, a bucket, a sponge or a rag, some bike-specific soap, or some dish soap you can find at home. The first thing you're going to want to do is fill up a bucket with some soapy water. You can use any bike-specific cleaning soap or some simple dish soap. The next thing you want to do is either grab a sponge or a rag, dip it in the soapy water, and make sure you wring it out so it isn't dripping. You can begin by wiping the frame. Make sure you get the areas that build up a lot of debris, like the underside of your fork, the down tube, and the rear triangle of your frame. While cleaning the rest of your bike, avoid getting any soapy water on the braking area and the chain. Make sure to really wipe down your rims. This will help get any residue, allowing your brakes to work better. Once you finish cleaning your whole bike, rinse off the suds with a hose, but avoid spraying water directly at the hubs, the brakes, and the crank area. Then take a clean rag and dry off your bicycle. Once your bike is clean, make sure to lube up your chain to get it running even smoother. If you need help oiling up your chain, you can check out that video and other videos like this one by subscribing to the Schwinn YouTube channel.